Good evening. Quick video message for Grzegorz. Witaj. Grzegorz. Dziękujemy za zakupy. So I hope the pronunciation is okay. I think Grzegorz is Slavonic or ancient Greek, so I presume Polish. So thank you very much for buying the Homelite XL vintage saw. So before I box her up for you, I will show her running one last time. Bit of choke. Many thanks, Grzegorz. I think the equivalent is Gregory, so thank you very much. I hope you love the saw. She's an absolute work of art. She's just such a beautiful collector's item. And I hope we deal again. Bye for now.